Welcome to Bribe the Outdoors! Join me on some trail runs. Today we're at Newell Creek Park in Oregon City, getting on some Zone 2 training and hiding some cache in the woods. Ooh, I love my darn tough socks. Plus it's about the only part of my running outfit that my wife isn't slightly embarrassed about. Cool mixed-use park too, and so there's some single track trails for mountain bikers, so watch out what path you're on. You don't want to get stuck on one of the mountain bike only paths. Bridges! I love bridges! Alright, it's time to hide the prize. Over the bridge. 3 giant trees in a group. This is where we're going for it. It's the goodest spot of any.
It's hard to do Zone 2 training when your heart is going nuts with adrenaline, having hidden some cache in the woods.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next trail, and don't forget to subscribe and like.